Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Mwalo Maxwell actually, and welcome to Karibu Clicks Digital Marketing Agency. So today I just wanted to take you guys through on the graphic design using Canva. This is one of the basic graphic design applications that you can use to ease your work as a graphic designer. One, number two, as a social media manager, as an enthusiast of digital marketing and everything. So generally, what I'm going to take you through is how you can learn this process and make it more usable. I've been receiving questions on my Facebook account on how to navigate the graphic design field, but most of the people who ask me this question usually have a mobile phone, and and Canva is one of the apps that is available both on Android, available both on iOS, as well as available web-based applications. So if you can log into your browser and type Canva, then definitely you'll be able to log in. So personally, it has a paid version. So what I'm using now is paid version. If you check here, you see it's written Pro. So it has a paid version and also free version. So today, what I'm going to talk about is just about the layout of uh, of Canva. This one available on Canva app that is for Windows. So I'm basically using Windows 10, Windows 11 at the moment. So if you log into Canva, this is the first page you'll meet, or rather you'll be welcomed with. So this is the first page you'll see. And then if you look at this one is usually the menu tab. So if you want a full screen, you let it that way. But if you want the menu tab, you press there. Then it will take you through this page, uh, which is the navigation that you can make in Canva. So this is the project that you do. If you have the project that you've done, this is also one of the best application for the graphic designer. In case you wanted, for social media manager, in case you wanted to post something so urgent, and then you don't have time to go to Photoshop to design and do everything, or Adobe Illustrator. I don't have that time to go to Adobe Illustrator to just design everything and come up with a complete design. And I'm not just saying this. There is a company that I used to design. I designed for them a business plan using Canva. It was almost 16 pages actually, and it was one of the most attractive, design of Canva. So it isn't just something, it isn't just an application, it's an application that you can use to increase your earning as a social media manager, coming up with content and everything to make sure that everything is just okay. So the first you'll see home. This is if in case you are navigating on another tab this side. Let me say, for example, you are open another side, and when you open, it will take you back to this page. And then you have Magic Studio. So that with emergence of AI, everybody is integrating AI in their system. So in case you wanted to design something, but AI is not quite that elaborative as others. So you have to have a pro version to try. Let's just give it a try. So if you open, this is what it's going to tell you. It will open a page like this, and this is what it will give you. So you come to Magic Pro, and then you switch, and then you open it that way, and then you tell it what you want to do. Let me say you want to resize your design and everything. So this is the place that you can do it. Or maybe you want to turn it into docs. You wanted to turn into docs and everything. So this is one of the newest feature that we have. You just give it an instruction and it will open, and it gives you a design. But this one is not usually effective because it's not in your mind to give you the color combination that you want as a graphic designer or as a brand. So it isn't that effective at the moment, but it's one of the best development that Canva has at the moment. So that one is Magic Pro. And then we have project. In case you have designed a project this side, this is where the project will be. So it will give you the projects that you're doing. This one is a new account that I recently did, so this one just doesn't have a lot of designs like others. So this is the first page that you will see, but if you get to project, you'll realize that there are other pages that you can visit. These are your projects, but in case you shared these any other project with somebody, then it will, if you press here, it will give you a project that you shared with somebody. But at the moment, personally, I haven't shared any project with anybody. And then this one is just the names of the project that you recently did, and everything. So it doesn't give you, it gives you a name that you've saved, but in case you opened already Canva and then template, then definitely it will give you a name that was given by the design of the Canva template. And then here, in case you wanted to create a team, it gives you this opportunity or other options of creating a team. So you just switch to Canva team, and then you need it. Personally, I've paid for one, so I cannot switch to Canva team. And then let's go back a bit. So that one was the template, and then here it will bring you to template. So this gives you a basic overview or the outlay of the template that you can use. And as you know, I remember saying that we have AI. So this is just realizing the time of the month that we are in, and then give you an option of something that you want to create. Let me say, for example, New Year and everything per se. So inakupea this opportunity. And then as a template, we have so many options this side. If you check, we have business. So in case you want to design a poster or something for business, so these are the options that you have that you can press and decide. And then we have social media. Social media marketing, or other social media posters usually different from other posters. And that is one thing that you guys should know. And then we have education, video, marketing, print product, and everything. And remember, when designing a print product, remember it should be in CYMK. That one is to retain higher quality that you want. These are the photos in case you want to use photos icon and everything. So that one is available there for you to use. Let's learn the tool, and then this is the brand. In case you want to add your brand, but you have to have a paid version. In case you want to add your brand, so this is the place that you would want to set your brand. So you just come add another brand, and then you place your logo. You add your logo in case your logo is available on your PC. You just come and add your logo this side. So let me say this is my logo, and then I can add it there. So that is already, my logo is already added. So that is, my logo is already added. And then one of the best thing that it does, it give you already color combination from your logo. You've seen I've added my logo, and then it has already given me color combination for my logo. So these are the colors for my logo from the video, or rather from the picture that I've uploaded above there. And then you can also add color palettes. You can also add fonts that you want. You can also add brand voice and everything. But this is a magic. And then also you can add photos of your brand, that in case one day if you want to create something, it gives you a best opportunity. You can also add graphics plus icons and everything, just to make your design easy. So I think you guys already know that. I think you guys already know that. That is perfect. That is one of the features that we have when it come to Canva. As I said, it's one of the best design ready template design tools. And then let's just go back a bit. So this one is just like saved actually. So in case I want to do design, I'll just have to select to give me color combination for my posters that I want. And then here you'll have the apps in case you want another extra app to download. It gives you apps that they have partnered with other guys that are in graphic and marketing design tool. These are just apps that they've partnered with other providers. Yeah. So let's go back home. So this side is done. I said this is creating a team, and then if you deleted something and you still want to recover it, this is the trash that you will see. And then if you check this side, what will you design today? It give you an option of what you want to design. This is for you. It gives you already, if you've ever done graphic design before with Canva, it will give you options depending on what you've been doing. That is for you. And then docs, in case you want to do something in docs, you can write it here instead of opening docs. And then whiteboard, if you want to whiteboard to write something, you can do it here. And then if you want to presentations, you want to go to present somewhere and you're in a rush, you need a ready-made template, or you want to start from scratch, this is the best place. And then if you want the social media poster plus everything, you start there. Videos, website, in case you wanted a website, you wanted a website and you want to share with the graphic designer what you want, definitely just come to Canva, design the website that you want it to be, and then send it to the graphic designer to go through. Let me just open them. So these are just what you can design. These are just what you can design, but this one gives you template. And then here, in case you wanted to do a design that has, most of these one have different dimensions actually. So in case you wanted to do a design that is not within this one, then definitely you can customize or upload as you continue. So it gives you, in case you wanted to do infograph and then photo collage, desktop wallpaper. In case you wanted to do a desktop wallpaper, this one is the best one. And then graphic unlimited, this one you can do anything. But in case you wanted a cover, book cover, definitely that is the best place. So this one, it gives you usually template. And today I'll just go through one template, then next time when we come back, I'll tell you on how to start from scratch designing a poster. So let's go to social media poster, and I'm going to go with, so let's find a template. Let me just write something here. Let me just write something here. So I've written there digital marketing. It will give me templates that are in line with the digital marketing per se. It will give me templates in line with digital marketing. So you come to this home page. So it has opened. So this is the first page you'll come through when I write digital marketing. So this is the first page. So let me just take any that we want to design. Let me just take this first one. It is a pro. That one you will already have to use it when you have a pro version actually. So let me take one. Let me take this first one. So it opens and then it loads. It loads. So sometimes when the internet is usually high, it usually uploads very fast. So this is the design page. Let me call it design page. So when you've already opened, it brings you to this page, and this page contains tools that you can use to style or rather increase, remove, add anything that you want to add in your design. That is the first basic thing that you can do. So when you see here, you'll see design. So this one, it gives you an open, and also it gives you a suggestion of other templates that you can use in place of what you've opened. So in case I wanted to change this one to this one, I just press and then it changes my design to this one. You see that? And then it changes my design to that one. So I guess we'll just use that one because that's one. And also, in case you wanted to change, you just press and it automatically changes your design to that one. Okay, so element, in case you wanted to add anything that you wanted to add here, then this is the place that you can come and add it through, plus everything. And then we have here what we call text, in case you wanted to add any topography. In case you wanted any topography, in case you want any type. But personally, I usually use Poppins. Poppin is one of the best fonts that are, usually clean and everything that you can use to design. So let me just give you a recap. So in case this is the first page that you can use to, you can do design, and then you go to elements, and then you go to text in case you wanted to add text. This is here, and then brand. So remember, guys, I added a brand here. In case I wanted to use the brand, I'll just come and use this. It automatically add even my logo on the brand. You see, so my logo will be there. My logo will be added. So in case I have colors yet, I'll definitely add the colors plus everything that is there. And then we have uploads. In case you've uploaded something, this will be the home page that it will appear on. In case you want to draw something here, so you have that opportunity to draw. Come and choose the pen that you want to draw, and then you just come and draw something. So this is like a pen tool. This one is like a pen tool in Photoshop. So in case you wanted to draw something, you get that opportunity to draw it. But I don't know how accurate drawing, this thing is usually possible. Did you think it's usually possible to draw an accurate thing? But yeah, this is one. So this one is mostly for people who want to do, if in case you wanted to tell people what to do and everything. And then you remember, guys, we talked about project that I've done plus also apps from the previous menu. And then to kona easy nini. So this one is to in case you've done something, this one is to undo, this one is to redo, or rather if you have undone, you can redone. Yeah, I think that is the best English so far. And also you'd want to you'd not want to see this page, so you can you can keep it away. So this one is home page to gives you what to already need. So in Photoshop we usually have measurements. If you usually check at this end of this, they usually have measurement, and that one is also available for Canva. So you can just come to files. This one in case you wanted to create a new design. So in case you wanted to import a file, the settings and everything. So these are basics. In case you wanted to save all changes, you save to another folder that you already have, or you want to make a copy, you want to download it, or you want to write a comment about the design that you are having, or you want to replace a text box, or you want help here. So let's add ruler at this end. So let's come to settings, and it will bring you to this page. So first thing you can do is add rulers. So if you add rulers, you will see at the top here already you've added your rulers, and this side also added your rulers. So remember, you also have guidelines in Photoshop. So here you can also add guidelines. You'll just come and drag from the ruler, and then you place it. In case you wanted things to be at the same level, just add it, place the ruler there, guidelines there, and also you can just come and place it there. And in case you wanted another one, just come and place it there, just to make sure that your design is perfectly aligned with what you want it to be. Yeah. So that is the basics. So let's just go back a bit. So this is the open page. So let me say, for example, I want to add my website, my logo. So this is like the resizing and sizing tool. In case you wanted it to big, the corners will be, and then this one is the cropping. In case you wanted to crop it, you'll just drag it as you drag it inside, and then it will crop to the size that you want. Actually, I usually say this is one of the best features, because when it come to Photoshop or rather any design tool, you'll have to, like, it's really hectic. Let's just be sincere. Yep. And then you resize. And guys, always remember that for logos, usually top right or top left. I want to see your logo before I see your design. That is the first thing that I have to see. So I have to see your logo before I see your design. So it's usually top right or top left. And in case you are using a color that does not or rather does not blend with your logo well, you can add. Remember, guys, I said we are having. Remember, I said that we have this element tab. So this is one of its function. You can just come and add a shape like this one. Let me say I've wanted to add a shape like this one. This one just to add it on my logo so that my logo can be visible. Nisiweke logo and then ikue like nobody sees what my logo does. So you can come and change its color. In case you want it to be white, you just press here and then you come and add it to be white. So that one is definitely done. And then you come and change its position for it to go under the logo. So you press back and then boom, you have your logo above it there. So that one is just to bring it forward. That one is just to bring it forward. The logo is already forward, so in case you'd wanted to make it go big and then this one go small. So yeah, you just leave it that way. So already you've added your logo. That is the first thing. And most of social media uh posts, you don't have to stress yourself being with adding a name and everything, plus blah 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 blah. And then manage your social media content. So this one is like a tagline. You remember, like, one of the things, like in typography or the arrangement of a best graphic design, I should be able to tell what your graphics is all about. Like, I should be able to tell what your poster is all about without straining too much to know what the poster is all about. When you take a glance at this one, you will definitely realize that it's all about social media content. And what comes in your mind when you see such a poster tells you that this one is a business. That is the first thing, or rather this one is a person who want to manage social media content for somebody. So that is one of the first thing that you see. And then when you come here, it tells you, it breaks down of what we can do for you. And if you see, you'll see marketing leads, graphic design, video content, plus everything. But let me say, for example, we wanted to change this one. Just press it and then it will automatically highlight it all. And then let me say, for example, we want to add a Canva design. So you can add your Canva design there. And then that makes it, you already changed something there. And then this is for more. And then if you wanted to add your numbers here. One thing that you should always know, that when it comes to Canva, keenness to a good design is very much necessary. Like, not just choose a template to come up with something. It will be a template that makes sense. That is the first thing that you should know when coming up with a template that you want to use for your for your design. That is the first thing you should know. Yeah. And guys, that is all for today. I Next time when we come back, we'll start from where we have left here. We are going to start from, designing from a template, various design, and then we are going to design from scratch. We are going to learn resize, how to use resize tool in case you wanted any, and then as we continue forward, we are going to learn on how to connect your social media pages, that when you design something here, it will automatically post on your social media pages. So thank you for being here. It has been 28 minutes of you guys just being around and understanding what we are doing today. So thank you so much, and have good night, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. So I really appreciate. Bye.